Wishing you all a very good morning to all my lovely students. Hopefully, you all are doing good, safe at home, and also doing your study. So, guys, I want to say something that you are commenting in school, yeah, that is very nice. But please don't comment good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. You can wish me good morning when you are asking your doubts, but only wishing me good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. That is not good. ओके सो प्लीज़ डोंट माइंड इट कि हम मैम को गुड मॉर्निंग बोलते हैं मना कर रही ओके आप लोग अपने क्वेश्चन पुटअप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स क्लियर कीजिए या आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा ये भी बताइए मुझे ज़्यादा खुशी होगी सो वेलकम इन ग्रेड 5 दिस इज़ सोशल स्टडीज़ क्लास आई एम ओजस्विनी जानते हो ना सब लोग लेकिन अभी तक चेहरे नहीं देखे आप लोगों के एंड टुडे वी विल कंटिन्यू विद ब्लॉक 10 कम्युनिकेशन एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कंप्लीट लर्निंग प्लान 4 आफ्टर दैट discussion and your block assessment. So our today's topic is learning plan 4 see pictures and hearing sound. And our aim is explain the uses of a television as a way to communicate with others. आपको पता है कम्युनिकेशन का मतलब केवल ये नहीं कि कोई दो लोग या दो से ज़्यादा लोग बैठे हों वो आपस में बात करें कम्युनिकेशन का मतलब होता है जैसे टेलीविज़न रेडियो या न्यूज़पेपर के थ्रू हम देश विदेश की जानकारियाँ पढ़ते हैं या म्यूज़िक या क्रिकेट या any news we see or hear through these means of communication that is called communication. So now you need some resources. These are S4 content book and notebook. Also keep your pencil bag with you and don't forget to keep your water bottle. Drink water time to time and be hydrated. And our today's keywords are television and internet. Everybody know today our television is also running with internet. We can see all our serials through internet like Amazon Prime and some other disconnections like that. Is it? We can see any movie with the help of internet. No need of any CD, no need of DVD player or DVD. Bus, you need a connection and you can enjoy all the things. But one condition is there that your television must be a smart TV. Okay, guys? So, do you watch television? देखते हैं आप लोग साथ में पॉपकॉर्न भी खाते होंगे बट हमेशा नहीं बट खाना खाते हुए ज़रूर टीवी देखते हैं पता है जब खाना खाते हुए आप टीवी देखते हैं आपका वेट बहुत बढ़ जाता है क्योंकि आपको टाइम का ध्यान नहीं रहता और आप ओवर ईटिंग कर लेते हैं सो विच इज़ योर फेवरेट प्रोग्राम एंड वाई ओहो most of you are watching cartoon shows. Am I correct? If yes, tell me in the comment box which serial or which program you like to see in your televisions or which type of movies like patriotic movies or comic movies or drama movies or horror movies, which type of movies. So here learning plan 4 one attachment is there and you all have to read it so for your sakes I will read Here, six situations are there, but don't do like yesterday. You all choose only one situation about your school. I want that everybody choose the different situations. Okay? So, start situation number one. You want to tell people to buy a new car that is available in the market. How will you show this on TV? Act it out using dialogues. You want to tell people about a bomb blast that happened in the city. Many people have been hurt. How will you show this on TV? Act it out using dialogues. Situation third. You want to tell people about the heavy rains in the city. आज हमारे यहाँ भी हुई है ना फतेहपुर में. And how it has affected people. How will you show it on TV? Act it out using dialogues. Situation 4. Imagine you are doing a serial on TV. Show a scene from the serial. Act it out using dialogues. Then, situation 5. Imagine there is a cricket match happening. This is being shown on TV with someone telling that cricket is score and players being out. How will you show this on TV? Act it out using dialogues. Imagine you are a TV reporter talking to a group of people to know what they think of a movie. How will you show this on TV? Act it out using dialogues. I hope everybody read it carefully and choose their situations. So, why did you choose to present it in this way? The very first, television has both sound and pictures. Like newspaper has no sound, only pictures and writings. Radio, there is no picture, only sound. But in television has both. We can hear and see things on the television unlike the radio or the newspaper. This is HD TV. You can see pictures are too clear. Therefore, it is important not to just say things like the way we would do on a radio, but also act it out as people can see what's on television. How will it help people when they see this on television? So, it if people hear about urgent messages, they can take steps for their safety. We can also know what's happening in the country and elsewhere and about new products that are available in the market. Now, communication. Our today's topic, and we are studying for last 4 days. So, did you know that thousands of years ago, people were communicate with by drawing symbols and pictures, like Neanderthal mans communicate with some special signs and sign language and symbols. Is it? So, what kind of program do we usually see on television? So, your answer may vary because every people have a different choice. Like we can watch sports, news, events, movies, songs, dances, and know the weather report among other things. You can see this television, a smart TV, and it can fold means foldable TV. Many programs like sports events are shown live on the television. Sometimes you can see the live match or the live show. Like in KBC, it is a live show, and sometimes you can see online live cricket matches. How does the television help in giving and sharing information and music? So, guys, many people can see this even if they are far away from the place where it is happening. जैसे कि आपका क्रिकेट ईडन गार्डन में होता है या कोलकाता में होता है या किसी और कंट्री में होता है, लेकिन क्या हमें वहाँ जाना पड़ता है? नहीं, हम अपने घर में बैठ के अपनी टीवी में ही उस मैच को लाइव देख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we can watch a cricket match on television even if we are far away from the city where the match is taking place. And important news and information can be given to a large number of people very easily and quickly, unlike a newspaper. So, जब भी कोई टीवी सीरियल आता है या टीवी के थ्रू किसी चीज़ का एडवर्टीजमेंट किया जाता है, कोई नोटिस दिया जाता है कॉमन पीपल को, तो वी विल गेट ईजली. हो सकता है हमें वहाँ पे खड़े भी नहीं रहना, हमें कुछ काम भी नहीं करना, लेकिन वी कैन गेट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन थ्रू आवर टीवी. हाउ मैनी ऑफ यू investing most of your time in televisions? Tell me honestly, in what other ways can we read news, get information, and also see and hear music and movies like we do on the television? So, guys, from the internet using the computer, which has both pictures and sound like the television, you can see the laptop or computer. You can see, sorry, it's not laptop, it is computer, and also you can see your smart TV. On the internet we can also read like we do in a newspaper. इंटरनेट पे हम वैसे ही पढ़ सकते हैं देख के जैसे न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं, और इंटरनेट पे हम वैसे ही चीज़ें देख सकते हैं आँखों से जैसे कि हम टीवी पर देखते हैं. So, guys, it means our TVs are become smarter. We are smart. Is it? Day by day, we are improving. If you remember early humans and compared with you, you will get that difference. And this is how internet connected. That in different places different peoples are there with different objects like laptop, computer, TV, mobile, anything, and they all can use internet in their own place from a same place. Oh, it's time to question of the day, and your today's question of the day is related with picture, I think. How did people communicate with each other thousands of years ago? Very nice. And I know that you all know the answer. So I will not tell you anything. But I expect that you all give the correct answer in the schoolia comment box. So again we will revise the all type of profits or works of television, all types of news and sports we can see and hear. In television we can watch sports live. Is it? Then we can hear and see in a television. Like in newspaper we can only see, in radio we can only hear, but in television we can do both, hear and see. Useful to find important news. Very nice. And anybody can reach many people quickly. Means any news, any information, lakhs or crores people can see together in from different places. Now, Oh, it's your application time. So before starting your writing work, must watch block 10. What topic you studied today in the class? So write नहीं, sorry, read नहीं, study. Study carefully the today's topic. Then, like her mother is telling her how you will learn, how you will write, and she is listening carefully. Then you have to finish S4 in nice handwriting with no mistakes and do PQs 7 and 8. Okay. आप में से अगर किसी बच्चे के पेरेंट्स या सिबलिंग्स आपकी नोटबुक या वर्कबुक में लिख रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ उन्हें मना कर दीजिए। अपना काम अपने हाथों से करिए, वरना आपके नंबर भी चले जाएंगे और आप कुछ सीख भी नहीं पाएंगे। So for today, thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet tomorrow again with a discussion of Block 10.